Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be making a delicious cocktail called the Strawberry Coconut Breeze. To start off this cocktail, we're going to use 3 fresh strawberries and we are going to muddle them. It shot out at me.
Oh.
I don't know how you didn't see that. There's a bunch of it. Okay. We're going to do 2 ashes. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Oh my.
Is it the weekend yet?
Why does it matter? I work every weekend. 0.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. 0.5 ounces of simple syrup. And then my favorite thing on the planet. Please just cooperate. Then we need, oh goodness, 1.25 ounces of coconut cream. See if it comes out for me. Oh, hey, there it goes. Nope. So make sure when you're going to make cocktails, take your coconut cream out in advance. That way you don't have the chunkies. I made a giant mess. That's what I just did. Okay, I gotta get a new jigger. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. That was fast. All right, next we have 1 ounce of white rum. Maybe. And then 1 ounce of bourbon. Okay. Now, all of our ingredients are in our shaker tin. We're going to add ice. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add ice to my rocks glass as well. Just to be prepared. Because obviously Julian is not most of the time. Okay, so we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. We are going to double strain this for a few reasons. 1, fresh juice. 2, you are going to have a lot of that strawberry pulp that's going to be stuck in there. You'll see that once I start straining. She's on the chunky side. I know. I mean, it's coming out, so that's exciting. But, like, you can see I'm going to kind of just tilt there's a lot of pulp in there there's some ice in there too, but most of it's coming from those strawberries that we muddled. So this is another prime reason as to why we double strain, so we have a nice smooth cocktail. Make sure I got it all out. I did not. Look at all that deliciousness I would have left in there. How dare I?
You're going to start drinking right out the tin.
Don't tempt me. I did just say ashes instead of dashes, so.
That's.
Yeah.
You do a cartwheel in the video?
No. All right. So our cocktail is never complete without a garnish. So I've got a fresh squeeze.
A fresh squeezed strawberry.
Yep, fresh squeezed strawberry. Fresh off the plant. Lord help me. And then a lime wheel. Oh, sweet Lord. This is not going to be my day. I can just already tell it. Oh, Lord. Okay, so there we have our strawberry coconut breeze. Look how pretty she is. Oh, delicious. Even though her maker has got a lot of issues. Okay, I'm going to taste, and I'm going to rate. My rating scale is 1. I would have 1 cocktail, probably move on. 5 is I would drink this all night, no questions asked. And hate myself in the morning. Oddly enough, I actually smell a lot of lime over the strawberry, which is interesting, but oh, that's very nice. Yeah, that's gonna mess some people up. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Very strawberry. You actually don't taste a lot of the coconut, but you get the creaminess from the cream of coconut, which is super nice on this cocktail. I actually taste the bourbon over the rum, but again, it's only an ounce, so it's not in your face. You do get the lime brightens it quite a bit too, which is awesome. Oh man, I gotta give this one a 5 out of 5. This is gonna mess up some people. You don't really taste the liquor. It's just very fruity, and yeah, you're gonna drink a lot of these, and all of a sudden you're gonna be on the floor. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, floor.
No tequila in the drink, so
Yeah, no tequila.
just drink some more.
Just drink. There we go. Yeah, that's yummy. I could drink that all night. Yep. Anywho, no actual tequila was in this drink. Woo!
We're just making tequila. It's been a long week, people.
Holy smokes. Okay. Anyways, so if you enjoyed the cocktail, make sure you try it. The ingredients are going to be listed down below. Rye whiskey, you stop it. Sorry, dog's barking at the door. Anyway, if you enjoyed the cocktail, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next pour. And hopefully I'm a little bit more put together. Cheers.